A high-stakes legal battle is brewing within the upper echelons of the South African Police Service as Deputy National Commissioner for Crime Detection, Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya, prepares to sue KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi over allegations deemed defamatory. According to City Press, Sibiya's legal representatives issued a strongly worded letter on 25 July demanding that Mkhwanazi publicly retract his claims and issue a formal apology within 5 days. Should Mkhwanazi fail to comply, Sibiya has vowed to pursue a defamation suit. The threatened lawsuit stems from explosive remarks made by General Mkhwanazi during a media briefing on 6 July. There, he accused Sibiya, along with Police Minister Senzo Mchunu, of dismantling the political killings, tasked him and allegedly shelving more than 120 critical case dockets, purportedly to shield politically connected individuals from prosecution. Sibiya has categorically denied the accusations, labeling them as false, damaging, and deeply harmful to both his personal reputation and the integrity of the SAPS. Amid the unfolding scandal, the National Police Commissioner General Fani Masemola placed Sibiya on a leave of absence pending an internal investigation. The move has drawn sharp criticism, particularly from the Democratic Alliance, which argues that suspension, not a leave, would have better upheld accountability and transparency. In a bid to cut through the political noise and determine the truth behind the explosive claims, President Cyril Ramaphosa appointed a judicial commission of inquiry led by former Deputy Chief Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga. The commission is expected to deliver a preliminary report within 3 months. As pressure mounts on SAPS leadership, the outcome of Madlanga Commission could reshape the governance and credibility of law enforcement in South Africa. With the country's trust in police already shaken by recent controversies, the stakes have really been high. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.